Hello my dear students, welcome back to online class. So today we are going to read new lesson of your English 2 textbook of standard 2, that is Thank You Friend. Okay, in previous class we have done lesson number 1 and one poem, and today we are going to know a different story related to 4 friends. Okay, so first we will read the lesson name here. What is the name of the lesson? It is Thank You Friend. What is the meaning of thank you? You all know it, but let me tell you again. Thank you means a way of gratitude when we show someone for something. Okay, if they did something good for us, if they helped us, at that time we say thank you. So here 4 friends are there, and let us read the story to more about them and who said thank you to whom. Okay, at first I am going to read the lesson completely. All of you read with me and just pronounce difficult words with me, okay, so that you can pronounce words properly, and in next class I will explain this lesson. Today I am going to read this lesson. All of you read with me, okay? Let's start. So, once in a forest lived a crow, a tortoise, and a mouse. All of you read with me, children. They were good friends. One day, as they sat talking, they saw a deer running towards them. Okay? The deer was being chased by a hunter. Don't be afraid, said the tortoise. Hunters never come so far into the forest. Okay? The deer sat down and said, I am safe now. Why don't you stay with us? Asked the tortoise. The deer agreed, and four soon became good friends. Every day they met and spent time with each other. One morning, the deer did not come. The crow said, I will look around for him, and flew away. Soon he saw the deer trapped in a net on the bank of a river. He went back and told his friends what he had seen. We must do something quickly, otherwise the hunter will come and take him away, said the tortoise. The mouse said, if the crow takes me there, I will cut the ropes. So the crow picked the mouse up in his beak and flew to the river bank. The mouse cut the ropes. The deer was free. The tortoise too came crawling. As the 4 friends were about to leave, they saw the hunter coming. The crow flew up to a tree. The mouse ran and hid himself in the grass. The deer also ran away. However, the tortoise was slow and got caught. The hunter began walking along the river. The hunter began walking along the river bank with the tortoise. The deer thought of a plan to save the tortoise. He told the crow and the mouse about it. He lay down in the path of the hunter as though he were dead. The crow sat on the deer's head and gently pecked at it. Okay? The hunter was happy to see the deer. He dropped his net and walked towards the deer. The mouse ran and gnawed at the ropes of the net. When the hunter came close, the crow flew away and the dead deer jumped up and ran fast. The tortoise was free. He crawled to the river and slipped into the water. The four friends were safe now. So I hope all of you have read with me so that you can pronounce difficult words from the lesson, and you just find out difficult words from the lesson. I hope all of you have understood the concept slightly. Here four friends are there and how they helped each other when at the difficult times of each other. So we will know it in next class. Okay? Till then, all of you do one homework I am giving it to you. You just find out the difficult words from the textbook so that in next class I will explain you and tell you the meanings of the difficult words, and you will feel easy to understand the story at that time. Okay? Have a good day, all of you.